Guys, welcome back. This is Anya. This video I'd like to introduce for you guys is the 12 kWh DIY bus kit with the EVE 235 Ah lithium iron phosphate battery cell. That is this one. Now here we will over the discount for it. The bus kit we over is $299 per piece with the JKBMS with the assemble cost, and for the battery cell cost is only $47. So the total cost for this pack for you of the free assemble surface is total cost is $1,050. So do you have interest in it? Let's to see the details of this design. It is the BMS built inside the battery pack is the JKBMS 16 series 200 ampere current pass, and it's with the brand new grade A battery cell, the Cooper bus bar, flexible Cooper bus bar, 250 circuit breaker, 2.0mm thickness of the battery case. It can be stockable for 4 pieces of the battery pack to make the 48 kWh. And if you have needs for this DIY bus kit with the battery cell, you can contact with us freely. Thank you for you guys watching. This is Anya. See you in this video. Bye bye.